A very recognisable pattern here, Colclough Ivy Leaf, but these are quite unusual teacups. They were made over a long period of time, from the Ridgeway period right the way through to Doulton, and these have got very clear Doulton period made in England Ivy Leaf china marks. D-shaped waisted teacups, but these are quite unusual. The majority of this production was 2 7/8 inch tall cups. These are 3 inch, so quite rare. Do measure carefully. The diameter we measure out for you across the widest part, and the height of the cup we measure. And the importance of doing so is, as you can see, if I put these two cups together, I don't know whether that particularly shows easily on, if I put them sideways up, you'll see that one is 1/8 of an inch shorter than the other one. Made with identical china marks, same period, but if you put these together in a set, you're going to notice the difference. Well, I would anyway. So very subtle differences, but it is worthwhile just measuring carefully before you just purchase Ivy Leaf side plates or saucers or whatever, to make sure, because they did make them in a variety of sizes. So 3 inch tall D-shaped Ivy Leaf Colclough cup, very nice condition, plain rim with good gilt retention, great gilt on the handles and everything, and nice lineage around the base. 5.5 inch scallop trim saucer, they're pretty typical, don't vary that much. But this little round side plate, the majority are slightly smaller than this, 6 1/8. This is 6.25 inch. Little bit of wear on the gilt rims around here, but still nice and bright generally. Just ignore the sticker on there, that's just so we don't get them mixed up when they go in the box. And we can see that this comes out as a set with a 3 inch teacup version, that if you order it, we send you the right one. We've only got 2 of these coming out of these mix, but it just goes to prove the point why we so carefully do list our Colclough on multiple listings with the exact sizes, particularly when we're bundling it as a trio with 3 pieces, as you're seeing here. So this set's available, not a lot of money, very nice condition, 1966 through to 97. There's no records to give us more information in terms of how the different sizes or mould designs were coming off the lines at any one time, and there's no mould shapes on this one. Quite often you'll get a D number, or like on this one you've got an F57.4 there, which is the mould reference for this particular cup, and neither of these 2 3 inch cups have got any mould reference on them, but they're genuine Colclough pieces coming out of our Staffordshire potteries, as I say, during the Doulton period of management of the Colclough brand. Link below should take you through to the listing for these 2. We've got loads of Colclough Ivy Leaf in a variety of different shapes and sizes, Ridgeway period, Doulton period. So if you're looking for a particular piece, do just follow the link through and it'll be there on the website waiting for you. Thanks for watching.